Welcome back. It's been a minute. This is just a mock fit, so don't get your hopes up that, the car is ready, the engine inside. No, the engine's still here. I'm waiting for an engine hoist to be able to commence that. But until then, I figured might as well just work on something else. So, I put the bumper on just to see how it sits. Then I realized and I remembered that over here, I don't have a fog light. Over there, I just installed the fog light. So, what do you think? Yeah, okay. So, backstory. When we bought the silver car, it originally had this. This is basically the fog light switch. And the relay, the fuse, the wiring, it's all connected inside. So just to be clear, this is not the original fog light. So the wiring itself is external. It's not internal within the actual lights. So all what I did is basically I took it out of this and put it over there. But because my car, yay car, had the crash over here, so when I got it, it was missing the front bumper, and hence I had no access to the fog lights. These are the ones that I bought on AliExpress. Not the best quality, but they do the job just fine. See, it already comes with a provision for this one, so all what I needed to do, like you need to install it from the get-go. I just need to get this one, remove those covers basically, and put the actual buttons in it and use this one. And see, the relay, the fuse, pretty much everything that comes with it. Unfortunately, when I bought it initially, when it arrived with broken cover. See, this is broken. And the other one was severely broken. AliExpress, what do you expect? So you get what you pay for, to put it simply. Anywho's, I put a claim and they sent me brand spanking new ones. So I've got brand new ones. So don't be frightened that, oh my God, that's broken. Yeah, I've got a replacement one, so don't worry about it. And this is officially the actual fog light. So this is how it looks. Now, as you can clearly see, the bumper itself wasn't, what's the right word? It didn't come with a fog light installed in it. Therefore, we've got this. So in simple, what do I need to do? I need to cut this one to put it over there. And where is this piece? This is it. So this is how much I had to cut out of the bumper in order to be able to fit it. I know, it's confusing, and if you don't have a rich imagination, you won't be able to imagine it. So let's just get the bumper out. Let's just remove and show you from the back, what did we do? This is the bumper from the back. As you can clearly see, this is the area that I had to cut. Now, that one, it's not cut, so I'm gonna mark it with a white marker just so that you can see it exactly. But I had to cut it. Now, I may have gone a bit overboard because you see this area over here, it's a bit too much. I could have gone away without cutting all that much out of it. But oh well, the best part is this bumper was already pre-fitted to accept fog light. Meaning, you see, the bolts or the screws, basically, they've got their own provision ready for them. See, over here, over there, and over there. They're already ready to accept that. So it's just basically you put one here, 3 screws, and for the back, front, the cover, 1 screw here and 1 screw there, and that's it. And these are the connectors. Now, when I got my car, it did have the wire basically chopped that goes to the actual fog lights. And the red wire, if you remember, was going to the battery. What I've done, these are the 2 wires, as you can clearly see. Red wire is now covered in this conduit and properly routed, hidden, and it comes all the way over there. To make it a bit more hidden. The other one, which is, let's just say the blue one, it goes from over here. I basically routed it exactly with the other wire, just in an attempt to hide it basically. And it goes through here. And there it is. and I deliberately kept this disconnect in case if I needed to disconnect it. So it already comes with two sides, so this is for basically left and right kind of thing. Where is the wire that goes in between? Well, if you look over here, there it is. So it's routed properly and hidden properly, so you're not going to be able to see it. I guess my aim here was to make it as original as possible. So this one connects to this side and that one to that side, and that's it. Oh yeah, I don't know if you've noticed, we washed those fender liners and we put them exactly where they belong. So they're properly attached on this side and in that side. These are one of the things that I've done behind the scene. It's not that big of a deal, but at least it's clean, washed and done and ready to accept. So what are we doing now? Let's remove this one. Just to, actually, do I really need to remove it? I don't know, I can just keep it. Let's start working with this one. I'm gonna mark it first, just so that you can get an idea as to where you need to cut. And with whatever tool that you've got. Heck, I cut it with just a normal saw. Like a normal saw, a knife, I don't know, something hot. Whatever you've got, it works, it does the job, and you just need to clean it. That's basically it. So I'm gonna start working on that side, clean it up, make it ready, and show you the area before and after. Sounds good? Cool. I tried to clean it up and mark it as much as I can, but you can clearly see I'm using the white marker. So this area from here. Now, over there I didn't do the same cut. I ended up cutting a bit more. I cut from here, basically, from that line. You could, but then again you'll end up with a bit of a more space. So I'd rather cut it over here. It adds more rigidity to the side, basically. So this area, you can cut it, and from over here of course you need to cut it, and at the bottom you see this area, this remains. This is where the screw that attached to, so you've already got it. See how they actually kept it for you? Just follow the line and basically literally follow the line. Over here you might need to shave it a bit more, so you might need to dig in a bit more, just because the fog light itself is a bit bulky or fat, let's just say, from the bottom, so to make sure that it lines up perfectly. Don't worry about it. From now, all what you need to do is just cut what you can see in front of you, okay? The one that I've marked over here. Once you cut it, then it's only a matter of getting the fog light and slowly put it over there, line it up, and see how much you need to shave out of it, and shave accordingly. Sounds good? Let's commence the cutting. Voila. There you go. So, through the provision, line up, line up, line up. Now, yeah, you gotta have to basically finagle it. But if you look over here, you see the opening? I needed to clear that space so that this corner basically can sit. So if I'm gonna get it out, there you go, you can see. So you see how I shaved it? Yeah. That's why I said cut within the line first, then shave as you need, because you don't want to end up shaving a bit more. Now, if you look at the difference between this side versus that side, you clearly can see that this piece over here, I cut from there. See? Now, because I installed this one, I can clearly tell that I didn't need to cut from there. Therefore, I kept it. What I need to do now next is basically mount it, screw it, and put the cover from the front, and then line it up and for you to have a look at it. So let's just get done with that. There you have it. I installed the bumper just so that we can have a look at it, and it fits perfectly. Even, what do you call it? The bolts and this metal bracket thing that goes on top of it, so it's lined up perfect. This is how it looks like once installed. So you can clearly see, I'm using light in the back just so that you can see exactly. You've got one bolt hole over here and one over there, or screw. This allows it basically to install the cover. And see, this is the plastic basically that we didn't cut. I kept it there. It's actually not bad. I really like it. The other side, this is how basically the final product. So in our case, let's just, I'm just gonna put the light over here just so that you can see a bit. So there is the cover. All what you need to do is just line up the holes over here. Now granted, it's not going to be 100% perfect because you might need to shave some areas. Look over here. If you need to, then do what you need to, because at the end of the day, this one will basically close up on it. Now in my case, I don't need to do anything. It just perfect lines up. So there you go. You've got screw here, screw there, and you're good to go. The kit itself has all the bolts and all the screws. So I'm just going to screw it back in, slap it on, and just show it to you how it's going to look like. And this is how it looks like. Remember guys, this is a plastic piece, so go gentle. So when you screw it, just screw it slowly. You've got one over here, one over here. You don't want to put too much pressure, otherwise you're going to break the tab, chances are. And if you look at over here, this is when I got it shipped. You see how it's broken from over here? But fear not, my replacement part is right over here, so I can just slap this one here. So I don't have to worry about that. But for now, I'm really liking how it looks. Oh man. Now, just to look in with other things that I've done. The washer fluid thingy already installed with a new cap. Yes, from Temu. I got it from Temu. A perfect fit. I managed to get the reservoir. It's clean. I washed it, cleaned it thoroughly, and installed it. So I've got this whole area set up, perfectly done, ready for the engine. In terms of body work, remember where it was rusty in here? And we fixed it up with the putty, or basically the material, the JB weld. So this one is fixed. This one is body. I put some body work, and it's done, smooth. Over here, remember how we had a damage? Now it's smooth, perfect, ready to be painted. Over here, temporarily, I put the actual bumper, and over here, we installed this one, and yes, I installed this plastic thing. Now, you might not be able to see it properly. Let's see how it sits. Gorgeous. I bought this one for 20 bucks on Temu. It was flat, for the record, but with a heat gun, I managed to heat this corner just to make it line up, so slowly, and the other side. And once it's done, boy, look at it. It's just perfect fit. So for 20 bucks, you can upgrade this one. It's completely dusty over here because I was doing body work. So this side is done. Like I said, fender's done. The other side also, we had some body work to do here, here, and the corner over there, and they're all done. So in theory, everything is done. And yes, yeah, see, this is the gray one. I put it just like you said. You guys said the gray one fits better. So yes, it fits better. But you see how there's blackness here and there and all. It's dirtier, but still same color, so it fits. So if you guys are happy with that, I'm happy with that. The other one is right over there. So this is the black one that I got. Now, why don't I put the actual steering over here, all of it? Truth is, it's cracked. It's not in the best condition. So that's not. Anyways, so that was a quick video for you guys, just to upgrade and basically put the fog lights. You see the wires dangling. These ones need to connect to it, but basically that's it. That's it. If you like what you see, stick around until next episode. Until then, you guys take care of yourself.